Hey everyone, welcome to this Lancaster Lodging review video all about Olde Square Inn located in the town of Mountjoy in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. I was pretty thrilled to visit this B&B recently for two reasons. One, it is a beautiful place and has some really neat history to it, and two, because I have gotten to know the innkeeper Nancy a little bit this year. She is really wonderful, joyful, hospitable, and talented, and she's an extremely good cook. So I was pretty pleased when she agreed to let me come see her at the inn and get some pictures and some footage. Let's start by talking about the beauty and history of this place. As you can see, it is a gorgeous property. It's a 3-story brick colonial revival home built in the early 1920s by Howard G. Longnecker, who was a prominent Mountjoy citizen who made his money in banking and tobacco. Later it became a boarding house for male teachers in the 1950s and 60s, and now boasts of being a B&B for over 40 years. This beautiful B&B still has many original architectural features, like original doors and even a built-in butler's call station in the kitchen. You can still see the call buttons in the rooms, but to Nancy's delight, the bells no longer function as calls to the kitchen. The inn has gotten great reviews over the years. They've been #1 on TripAdvisor for bed and breakfasts in Lancaster County. And that's quite a feat because if you don't know, Lancaster County is a boom town for bed and breakfasts. They are all over the place, which is wonderful, but to be voted #1 is a great accomplishment. And now let's talk about Nancy, the innkeeper. She is such a delight, and I'm excited to be able to tell you a little bit about her. She is the 3rd innkeeper, and doing so was a fulfillment of a lifelong dream of hers. And before running the inn, she had a wonderful career in teaching. Personally, I think Nancy is the crown jewel of this place. She was meant to be an innkeeper. Her personal and thoughtful touch is what sets this place apart. Besides her gift of hospitality, which is pretty obvious, she is an amazing cook / baker / chef. I tune in almost every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time to watch her live cooking show, and my mouth is usually watering by the end of the show. I have no doubt if you stay here, you're going to get one of the best breakfasts of all Lancaster County, which is saying a lot considering this place is really famous for their food. So yes, she is amazing. The town of Mountjoy is very charming, a cute little small town, and they do something here that I think is just really special, over the top. They have these banners that are all over the town of their veterans. I just think that is just such a wonderful way to honor them and just such a personal touch. You can tell the pride and appreciation this town has for their veterans and their people. So it's just a neat thing to see when you walk around, is these banners of their veterans. And a fun little perk of staying here is that you literally can walk outside the inn and be right there on the main strip, and the town's right there, so you can go exploring. And really, it was not loud. Like, I was inside that inn and I did not hear the traffic at all. So it's kind of a nice little combination of being right there in the middle of things and still being quiet. Okay, now let's talk about the location. This town is located in the northwestern part of Lancaster County, as you can see here on the map. As a reference, it's about a 30-minute drive between Mountjoy and the area of Birdenham, and places like Sight and Sound and the Amish Village. It's only about a 25-minute drive to Lidditz, which is an adorable, great little town. And the thing about driving around here is that it's always a beautiful drive. So when you're driving from one town to the next, you almost always will go through beautiful farmland and Amish country, and so it makes the drive very pleasant and just very fun. Okay, so here's the bonus feature I just have to tell you about. So this seemingly carport area is not really a carport area, it was a horse and carriage area. And they had this little gate here that they would open to help the ladies or the men in and out of the carriages into the home. I just think that is so cool. You will not see this many places. And the fact that it's still there and Nancy opened it for me to show me was just such a thrill for me. What a cool way to connect the history to this place. So that wraps up my review of Olde Square Inn in Mountjoy. It's a beautiful, charming, wonderful place to stay, and Nancy the innkeeper is even better than all that put together. She's a great lady and loves to do what she does and was just meant to do it. So, and you're going to eat fabulously when you're there. So hope you enjoyed this. Hope this helps you find places to stay, and this is definitely one I would highly recommend. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next adventure.